Hi, this is John Hilbrands with Hilbrands Carpet Care. Today I'm going to show you a popular repair item that we do is an upstairs hall restretch. You can see the looseness right here in this loft where it joins a hallway, as well as some looseness where the seam has been split. It was bulging, not that where that seam was split. And there's some looseness in a bedroom at the end of the hall and even 3 feet into that bedroom, making it a little more complicated. At the top of the loft, there's some looseness going into a master bedroom. It's also a few feet into the bedroom. So that's going to all be pulled towards that wall and all the way down the loft wall. And then as that tightens, gets pulled in, it'll be seamed in place. There's a seam we split, and we still have the seaming tape on that has to be melted off. And then it'll be pulled together, trimmed, and seamed. So here's the upper hallway here. And I have the power stretcher set up with just the foot, and it's on a 2x4. It's created kind of a bridge. The sides are lifted so it'll move as a unit. And I'm just going to show you that actual bulge being stretched as I lever it down. I'm pushing the lever of the power stretcher down. You can see how it disappears. I actually had to put the camera down and actually finish it. So there's the finish line. It has to be moved a few times and you have to tuck. And on the other end of the actual hall, we're pulling it towards the center also. We have the nails in place. We have the power stretcher still in position. I'm going to cut that and I'll leave the power stretcher there because a seam has to be perfect. You have to have it not more, not less. So you have to leave it in place just in case you need to pull it a little bit more. You saw that there was about an inch of overlap, and that inch will be trimmed out and then it'll be seamed. So here's the upper hallway. There's no wrinkle there. Nicely done. And then we also have the seam here you can take a look at. No looseness in the loft anymore. It's all pretty much invisible. And then at the end of the hallway you can also see the wrinkles, even in the ones in the bedroom, are gone. And this was kind of a difficult problem in that she has a lot of built-ins in there, so we couldn't actually do a bedroom restretch there. Like, in fact, the customer had us there cleaning the downstairs, and she wanted to give money back once the house was sold to whoever purchased it, and she just wanted an estimate upstairs so that she could say this is how much it'll cost to fix. And you can imagine what that would happen. Someone would not like the house because of these huge wrinkles. They would think it looks cheaper, all that. And I said I could fix it all for $200, and that would be take care of it. And you know, it'll sell faster. She doesn't have to promise money. They won't have to try and act like it's a lot bigger deal than it really is. So this repair, if you have a situation like this, I'd be happy to fix it for you. We work out of Temecula, California. And thank you. This has been John Hilbrands with Hilbrands Carpet Care. Bye-bye.